So we're going to start with the basics of taping shoe molding. Step one is always to vacuum the surface you're working on to make sure there's no dust that you're going to tape over. So there will be videos about Festool and how to operate those. For now, we're going to start with our tape. So we're going to be focusing on the shoe molding right here. This is quarter round. So take your tape. I always pull, if I have a section like this, I'll pull the length that I need. I don't like working with small bits of tape because it's inefficient and it doesn't help you get a straight line. So you want to start with kind of not slack, but you want a little bit of tension. If you over pull this, it'll stretch and start to bend, and you don't want that. Find your first corner. Make sure you're nice and lined up about a 1/16 of an inch out from your edge. So if you get into here and look, I'm leaving some of this brown of this wood behind because we want to create a nice clean edge with our tape. We're going to come behind and caulk over this to seal it up. So we leave about a 1/16 of an inch off of that line. So you come every about 6 to 10 inches, you can tack it so that you know from this point to this point is a straight line. So you come and press that down, come another 6 to 10. That's a nice straight line, almost to the end. Tack that down and get to your end here. Make sure your line is straight all the way across, and then whether it be a 5-in-1 or your finger or however, you can put some pressure right here, rip it off, finish your line. So we'll come back and finish prepping this out with the rest of our floors, but that's basically how we tape our shoe molding to prep to seal it when painting trim.